As the Grade 6 Achievement Test GSAT draws near, parents, teachers, and students are anxious. To ease their anxiety and to better prepare students for the exams, Rousseau Primary in St. Andrew recently held a motivational session. First up, grammar tips when writing essays for communication task, a critical component of the GSAT exams.
A lot of can only be used with some things that can be measured, but not something that can be counted. So you can't say a lot of people were there. You can't say a lot of children were there. That's wrong. It is correct if you say a large number of. It is correct if you say many persons were there. It is correct if you say several persons were there. I see run-on sentences, you have to avoid them. When you are writing, if you want to get the 11 or the 12 out of 12 children, you have to avoid those run-on sentences. It is best if you write short sentences and put in your full stops. What you can use to look out for them is when you use the word and too many times in a sentence.
It's very important to get a good night's sleep before your exam. Make sure that you go to the examination center early so that you're not rushing, because a lot of your preparation is making sure that your mind is rested and that you're relaxed in your body. You tend to remember what you know when you are relaxed. And if you're under stress, as they said, no to stress. If you're stressed out, if you're late for the exam, if you're rushing to the exam area, you're not going to remember as much as you normally would. And of course, it's very important to have a good breakfast on the morning of the exam, because the most important organ that you need to feed on that day is your brain. And if your brain doesn't have enough energy, then you're not going to perform as well. For you to be as relaxed as possible, when you sit, your thighs and your thighs, this is your thigh. Your thighs should be flat on the chair, and your feet should be flat on the floor. So that relaxes your hips and it relaxes your knees. When seated around the desk, you want to be as close to the desk as possible, so that way you don't have to lean forward too much. So that when you have your paper in front of you, you don't have to bend your head too much forwards, because if you have to bend your head too much forward, it's going to cause the back of your neck to get tired after a while. What you can do to wake up your muscles every now and again, like every 10 or 15 minutes, depending on how you're feeling, there are little things that you can do to wake up your muscles. So you can do it from your head down, or you can do it from your legs up. You can put your left hand on your left leg, and take your right hand, just rest it on top of your head, and you're looking straight ahead, and you just gently pull your head over to your right until you feel a little stretch in your neck. Everybody feeling that? And you hold it for about 5 seconds, and then you relax. You put your right hand in your lap, put your left hand on your head, and pull to the left, so you're stretching the muscles to that side. Okay? And then another thing you can do is just simply gently Just gently do a little circle with your head.